Well, hello everyone. Here we go again. We'll have another go, see how far we can get this time. If I can, I want to try and get up to Bournemouth. Not the place to go on a bank holiday Monday, but I want to try and call into the Kawasaki dealership up there. I've tried ringing, it doesn't say they're closed. Google says they're open, but it says in brackets may differ for bank holidays. So I don't know, but two birds with one stone. See how far we can get on this and get what I want to get done if they are open. Well, I am gobsmacked. Look at the traffic for a bank holiday. Well, I never. That's unheard of. So it's no secret that I've had this up for sale for the last 3 weeks. I've had 2 people inquire about it. One person was to ask how much it was new, and I actually said in the advert, save yourself some money. It's had its very first service, the running in one, and it's just had its first proper service. And it's about 3.5–4 grand cheaper than buying a new one. And it's only done 3,700 miles. But I don't know, folk are fickle, aren't they? So this spot here was the exact spot that my arm started playing up last time. So we're all right at the minute. And what was I saying about the traffic? Dear oh dear. I think they're going to be shut when I get there. Personally. Hopefully not. I mean, it's the ideal time to be open. Had a good live stream last night on Kind to Go on Joe's channel. Nice to see a few more in the side chat than normal. And again, you know, I mentioned that traffic, the lack of. Well, I think it's catching up with it now. Dear oh dear, bank holiday luck. And again, it's always where people won't let other people in. Look at it. What a time to go to Bournemouth, Nigel. Stupid boy. I really have got the feeling they're going to be closed. Not the end of the world if they are, because if I can't buy it, neither can anyone else. And here we go again, look. Here we go again. Shocking. Oh, nice Mustang. Wonder if he's called it Sally. You want all the road then, do you? That's the widest Honda Civic in history, look. I've only got 4 lights on at the front, you probably can't see me. Or is it traffic lights? It's good old traffic lights. With nobody doing fuck all. Unbelievable, isn't it? Now I was coming here once in the work van, and the ambulance, and coming this way, they'd already overtaken me on the dual carriageway. There was 4 work vans, all from the same company. They weren't that old, and they were clearly right up each other's asses, because when one had to do an emergency stop, they all piled into the back of each other. Now it was along here, I just got about where this van's pulling out. I was test riding a Honda cross-dresser, and the screen bloody flew off. Right, I can tell now just by looking at the stuff outside, they're shut. They are closed. Bugger. Never mind. I'll have a look in the window.